Diba, hindi namin sa pala talaga. Nasa loob. Wala na. Pag gano'n pa nila, I need 6 of you! Correct! Dimension!
Come on, Casey!
Suraj! Swarim! 3 girl and Kai. Okay, where are the golden egg winners?
What is yours? Now I'm going into the prize.
Okay, where are the winners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more.
Hannah.
Hannah.
Hannah. Where's your golden egg? Come here, Hannah.
For the egg.
Congratulations.
Wow.
And
Good job, kids.
No need. Come on. Thank you. Where's Hannah?
You're looking in
She misplaced her egg.
Umiiyak siya. Okay. Come on.
She's crying.
It's okay. Mom. Can't find the egg. Naya, come on.
Hannah. It's okay. You'll be okay.
The Easter took it away again.
That's so neat.
The rabbit took away your.
It's okay.
Hannah.
The rabbit is the one
Yeah,
There you go.
Hannah. Picture. 1, 2. Yay.
This is okay because we can use the gifts for the egg.
Ito ay mga bata.
That's okay. We can use the egg now.
Tapos umiyak biglang.
Okay, for the relay! Team number 2!
Number 2.
Can I have those on team number 2?
Arman.
Who was the captain of your team?
Daniel.
Hey man, it was God! Bro, this is pancake breakfast. Fantastic. What else? Another basket.
Yung red lang. Oh,
What is this one?
Go.
This is a cereal breakfast. Okay. Oh, this is for an ice cream party. And one more. Armand. And Armand.
Bro, we will ship to Oman the price.
What are you doing? Sparkling cider! Yay! For Aman. Okay. For the sack race!
Sack race.
Where's Cheryl? Janet.
Matthew?
You represent.
Okay, can I have Cheryl for the women?
She's out.
I think they went in the restroom.
They went to the restroom.
Oh, Cheryl is occupied at the moment. Can I have Matthew? Any of these? sparkling cider.
Thank you.
Okay, can I have for the three-legged race, Sada and Esther?
Come on, Esther!
What is this? It's our family pack. Finally, for the watermelon eating contest.
Esther!
Pose for the camera. Good morning, bro.
Harap dito,
For
bro.
the family pack. Thank you. Great. No, thank you guys for coming. If we could just give some thanks to Fred, for Cess, for Celeste, and for the sisters' household that decorated the egg. Please do not eat them unless you speak to your parents. And for those that hid the eggs, for Vince, for the preteens, for Celeste for the school age, and for Glory for the preschoolers.
Yay! Yay! Ninong! Ninong! Dali, dali! O, dali! Ninong! Yay!
Amen. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and have your communion services or enjoy a day at the park. Happy Easter!